In this video, we're going straight to the essentials, adding a new company and setting up company details to start your payroll with Sage Business Cloud Payroll. And I'm logging into the Sage Payroll account from a separate web page. Enter a company number and company name. Upon clicking Next, you will be directed to the Cycle Details section, which is the next essential step in setting up your payroll in Sage. For this demonstration, I'm adding a monthly cycle. If you want to learn more about payroll cycles, what they are and why they're important, check out my previous video. There I explore various payroll cycles and explain how you can implement them in your business. The next step after establishing a payroll cycle is to enter the company details. Just a quick note before we move on to entering the company details. There's a more extensive guide on running payroll and dealing with payroll taxes on my channel. Check out the link in the description for all the details. It's a great resource to see how everything ties together once your initial setup is complete. Now let's start filling in the necessary information for your new company. There are 12 fields to complete, each one critical for accurate payroll management. Follow along as we go through them one by one. The required information includes standard business registration details, so it's advisable to have all your organization's payroll registration numbers at hand for this exercise. We start with the company registration number, pay-as-you-earn reference number, which is your SARS employer registration number. If your number is not correct, the system will give you an invalid number message. Notice that after I've entered the pay-as-you-earn number, that the STL and UIF numbers are automatically completed. The trade classification has to be completed. I'm going to use code 2572 for other business services. The UIF registration number, which is the registration with the Department of Labor's Unemployment Insurance Fund, will be filled in, and it is not the same number as the SARS UIF collection number. From the Standard Industry Classification menu, select the most appropriate industry category for your business. There are numerous codes to choose from. If the business does not qualify for the Employment Tax Incentive Scheme, you can select the reason from the provided options. If it does qualify, leave the selection as not selected. If the business works in one of the 6 special economic zones, you can select it. Complete the fields for the business physical address. If the postal address is the same as the physical address, the fields will automatically populate when you tick the default from physical address box. The details of the contact person with SARS is compulsory if you submit returns to SARS. Lastly, if the details for the UIF contact person are the same as those for SARS, I can also tick that box for quick completion. Before we save the company details, let me add the company's logo, which will look really nice on the reports and employees' payslips by uploading it from my PC. It looks good, and I finished the logo upload by saving it. A quick review confirms that I've completed all the required fields, and my last action will be to save these settings. And just like that, your company is set up and ready to roll in Sage Business Cloud Payroll. Thanks for joining me, and don't miss my next video as we unravel more payroll secrets. See you soon.